The moment we've all been waiting for has finally arrived. Thanks to a user named Tasty Orange on Platform X, we now have an exclusive sneak peek at the much-anticipated Galaxy S24 Ultra. They've treated us to some quick unboxing videos, giving us a tantalizing look at this beauty in 3 stunning colors. It seems like these videos were captured right in a store, suggesting that the S24 is gearing up for its official retail release. An enthusiastic employee couldn't wait to showcase these devices ahead of time. But that's not all. Brace yourselves. A TikTok user managed to get their hands on the Galaxy S24 Ultra in titanium yellow, violet, and gray, and Tasty Orange generously shared these videos on Platform X. The packaging is reminiscent of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and although we only get a glimpse of the startup screen, any peek into this high-tech marvel is a cause for excitement. Here's the inside scoop. Samsung has waved goodbye to curved screens for the S24 Ultra, opting for a sleek flat display. And there's a nifty change in the speaker grille. Gone are the 6 holes, replaced by a single stylish M-shaped cut. Not to mention, the S Pen is getting a makeover with a flat bottom, departing from its traditional round design. Now, for the tech enthusiasts among us, hold on to your seats. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to be powered by the formidable Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, irrespective of your location. What's more, it might feature a groundbreaking 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x zoom, potentially outclassing other top-tier camera phones. But the excitement doesn't end there. Samsung is rolling out a reservation program for the Galaxy S24 series, complete with a generous $50 discount. While it's not the same as pre-ordering, it's certainly a fantastic deal. The actual pre-order phase kicks off on January 17th during the Unpacked 2024 event, and early leaks have already spilled the beans on some enticing offers. In certain regions like Korea, if you pre-order the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra, you might snag a complimentary memory upgrade. This means you can score a higher storage model at a lower price. Now, that's a deal worth considering. But there's more to uncover. Depending on your location, you could be treated to different pre-order perks. In Korea, pre-order customers may enjoy a full year of Samsung Care Plus warranty, a pair of Galaxy Buds 2 Pro wireless earbuds, and a delightful Pokemon or Mel Milk Buds case, chosen at random. Across the pond in the UK, certain retailers and operators are even throwing in a complimentary Galaxy Watch 6 with pre-orders of any Galaxy S24 series model. Now, let's dive into what each of these fantastic models has in store. The standard Galaxy S24 boasts a 6.2-inch screen with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's built tough with Gorilla Glass and Aluminum 2.0, ensuring durability. Equipped with a 12-megapixel selfie camera, a mighty 50-megapixel main camera, and storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB, this smartphone offers versatility. The 4000 mAh battery supports 25W fast charging, making it a reliable companion. Anticipate a price range of $850 to $900. Stepping up the game, the Galaxy S24 Plus flaunts a generous 6.7-inch screen with Quad HD Plus resolution. It mirrors the standard model's camera setup but sweetens the deal with storage options of up to 512 GB. A beefy 4900 mAh battery and 45W fast charging ensure your device stays powered up. You might need to set aside around $1,050 for this premium experience. Finally, we have the cream of the crop, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It rocks a massive 6.8-inch screen with an impressive resolution. The camera setup is nothing short of spectacular, featuring a colossal 200-megapixel primary lens and up to 10x optical zoom. With storage options maxing out at a whopping 1 TB, this powerhouse is ideal for those who crave ample space. The device packs a formidable 5000 mAh battery and supports 45W fast charging. Be prepared to invest around $1,250 for this premium model. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. We'll catch you next time for more thrilling tech news. Until then, Stay tuned for more exciting developments.